it's Mumsie. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share a few things that I've been loving, a few products that I've been loving, and they are mainly skincare. They're in no particular order. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna kind of be like me sharing my skincare routine in a sense. So yes, I've started a new skincare routine with totally new products. I think I am going on a little over a month since I've been trying out these products, and I've been loving them. I absolutely love them, and they are my current favorite products right now. So the first thing that I have here is the bamboo charcoal soap. This is what I wash my face with. This is what I wash my face with. Sulfate free. It's natural. It is said to have goat's milk and aloe. I really love this this product. It's perfect for sensitive or dry skin. One thing that I've realized about the product though is that when you wash your face with it, I've never been the type to like use a lot of moisturizer on my face, which I know is not the best advice to give someone, but I've always felt like my face just feels like super oily sometimes when I've packed on some moisturizer. Maybe it's just the moisturizers that I was using, but at the time before any of these products, I just didn't like using a moisturizer. But I've realized that when I use this product, when I use this soap, it really cleans out my skin, and it does leave it feeling dry. So I am forced to use a moisturizer after I use it. But it does clean out your skin like super clean. Like I said, it's 100% natural. It has no smell really to it. This one is I have another one that I've already started using, and this one is the other one. Let me just open it for you guys and show it to you. Yeah, it doesn't really have a smell it doesn't have a distinct smell. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the soap. This is what the bar looks like. I really like it. I feel like it does the job. It cleans your face and leaves you feeling fresh, but like I said, it leaves you feeling super dry. So it's important for you to use a moisturizer or anything just to, like, you know, moisturize your face and just put back that, yeah, you guys get what I mean. And then once I'm done with that, I then use the Banjayas Soft and Young Premium Rose Water, which is enriched with rose oil. This is what it looks like. Again, you can find it at Health Alternatives. I'm almost like halfway through this bottle. I use this twice a day along with the soap. I use them twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. So I use them for both my morning and evening routines, or should I say night routines. And basically I use this as a toner. I apply it using a cotton pad, and I just go over my face. And the reason why I say this soap works wonders is because after I've washed my face and I tone my face, literally the cotton pad is clean. It is like there's no dirt on it whatsoever. So like it literally does the job. It does amazing things. This product, the rose water, it is said to refresh, soften, and revitalize. You can apparently use it as a moisturizer as well if you add a little bit of is it glycerin or glycerin to it, but I haven't tried that before. I'm just using it as a toner. But yes, it smells, guys, it smells divine. I absolutely love it. And it is very gentle on the skin, and it makes your face feel super good. At least it makes my face my skin feel super good. And yeah, it's just, I love it. It smells amazing, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. Yes, it is suitable for all skin types, so definitely give it a try if you feel like, you know, you want to just, you know, use something. Oh, it smells so good. But then again, maybe I'm just being extra. Like, I'm probably just being like super extra, but I think it smells divine. Next product, this is what I use for my moisturizer, my daytime moisturizer. I use the Himalaya Herbals Intensive Moisturizing Cream, which is said to have natural vitamin E, wheat germ, and sweet almond. So I've never really been one to like to use creams like these, because like I said, I've always felt like it just feels like a lot of oil. But this, after using the soap, since the soap does dry out your skin a little bit, followed by this, it's great. It feels so good on the skin. It's super moisturizing, and I've just been loving it so far. So far, my skin, I've been getting really great compliments on my skin. I'm feeling more confident to, like, you know, just go around without makeup on, and I've realized that my breakouts are a lot less intense. And yeah, so this is what I use during the day to moisturize my face during my morning routine. But in my evening routine, I use this BaoCare acne skincare thingamabob. It's a baobab oil boosted by tea tree, calendula, and evening primrose. And it basically just helps to balance oily skin. It's perfect for preventing and treating acne, little spots and blemishes. And yeah, I use this one for my nighttime routine. So that's what it's like. It's a spray bottle, and it's an oil, like I said. It is said to have no synthetic chemicals, no parabens, and no mineral oils. So I'm really loving it. I use it at night because it is an oil, so it's a bit much for daytime. So I use this instead of the Himalayan. Is it Himalayan or Himalaya? The Himalaya moisturizing cream. So I use this at night, and then I use the moisturizing cream during the day. Okay, so another product that I've been loving, it's not a very recent product that I've been using. I've been using it for a very long time now. To remove my makeup, I use the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This one is for sensitive skin. It removes makeup, cleanses, and soothes. So I use this to remove my makeup. I used to use makeup wipes, but I realized that it's expensive. With makeup wipes, you get only about 25, maybe 60 wipes in a pack, and I felt like it was a lot of money, because like I wear makeup on a regular. So I figured, okay, I've seen people use micellar cleansing water, so let me give it a try. And I'm loving it. I mean, it does the job. It really does the job. As you guys can see, I've used it quite a bit. And it says here that you get about 200 uses out of it. So I don't know. I prefer the micellar water, and once it's done, I'm gonna get it again and again and again until they come up with another product that is even better than this. But now another product that I'm loving, but that is a little bit I'm a little bit like about it, but I still do love it, is this new foundation that I got. It's from the Body Shop. It's the Fresh Nude foundation in the color Seychelles Cinnamon 070. This is how it is, and I say I am a bit iffy about it because although it's a great product, it's not my color. It's not my color. I got it from my mom because she wasn't using it, and I love it because like I just love the formula. I really do love the formula. It actually smells. It has a little bit of a smell to it. I like the smell. I don't know what I can say, but it does have a little bit of a scent to it. It is said to have an SPF of 15, suitable for sensitive skin, 24-hour fresh moisture, and it gives that nude glow finish to it. That is very true. I like the product, but like I said, it's a bit orange for me. So if I could find the right color for myself, the right shade I meant to say, then I would definitely get it. Still on the makeup bit, this is actually a foundation, a cream to powder foundation. It's a mineral cream to powder foundation. It is made by Nora Cosmetics. You can find them on Facebook, and it is, I bought it for 150 pula. I love this foundation. It's the foundation that I'm wearing right now, and I just really love it. This is what it looks like inside. It has a nice little mirror in there, and it comes with a sponge as well, and it's a really great product. I'm gonna be like super fast on this last one because my camera is about to die. So the last one is also another local product, and this is a perfume. It is a perfume. It's called Laedza, in the scent Cupid. I love it. It smells so divine. It's gentle. It has a little floral, cutesy little scent to it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I got that one for 200 bila, and it is fantastic. I'm absolutely loving it. But yeah, I know this last part was a little bit rushed, but my camera is about to die, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Check the description box for more information on these products and where you can get them. And yeah, let me know what your favorites are currently. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.